Hi everyone, welcome to Career Clue. In this video, we are covering the top 10 civil engineer interview questions and answers. These questions are practical and commonly asked in interviews. Let's get started. Question number 1. Tell us about your experience as a civil engineer. Answer. I have worked on both site execution and planning for building and infrastructure projects. My experience includes supervising concrete works, checking rebar placement, managing finishing activities, and coordinating with contractors, consultants, and site teams to ensure quality, safety, and timely completion. I also maintain reports and BOQs using Excel and verify drawings with AutoCAD for accurate execution. Question number 2. How do you read and interpret construction drawings? Answer. I start by reviewing the title block, scale, and legend to understand the drawing's context. Then I carefully examine plans, sections, and elevations, checking levels, dimensions, and reinforcement details. Any discrepancies or doubts are clarified with the consultant before work begins. I also compare the drawings with actual site conditions to ensure accurate execution and avoid errors. Question number 3. What is the bar bending schedule, BBS, and why is it important? Answer. The BBS is a detailed list of all reinforcement bars required in a structure, including sizes, lengths, shapes, and quantities. It is important because it ensures correct placement of steel, prevents material wastage, helps with accurate estimation, and serves as a reference for site engineers and contractors during inspections. Following BBS properly also ensures structural integrity. Question number 4. How do you check concrete quality on site? Answer. I perform slump tests to check workability and verify that the mix ratio matches specifications. Cube samples are taken for compressive strength testing and curing is monitored carefully. I also check the placement technique, vibration, and compaction while maintaining a quality checklist and documenting all results. This ensures the concrete meets design strength and durability requirements. Question number 5. What would you do if you found honeycombing during concrete work? Answer. If honeycombing occurs, I immediately stop the work and mark the affected area. The weak concrete is removed, the surface is cleaned, and the section is repaired using non-shrink grout or approved repair material. I then analyze the cause, such as improper vibration, high water cement ratio, or leaking formwork, and take corrective measures to prevent recurrence. This ensures the structural element is strong and durable. Question number 6. How do you handle clashes with other teams on site? Answer. First, I check the drawings and schedule to see where the problem is. Then I go to the site to understand it better. I talk with the other teams and decide the best way to fix it. For example, I might move conduits a little, adjust slab openings, or change the work order to avoid mistakes and keep the structure safe. Question number 7. What types of foundations have you worked with? Answer. I have experience with isolated footings, combined footings, and raft foundations. For each, I check soil bearing capacity, reinforcement layout, compaction, and level markings, concrete quality, curing, and waterproofing if required or monitored closely. Approval from consultants or site engineers is always obtained before casting to ensure compliance with design specifications and structural safety. Question number 8. What software do you use for civil engineering work? Answer. I use AutoCAD for drawing creation, verification, and minor modifications. Excel is used for daily reports, BOQs, material tracking, and progress monitoring. I also use Start Pro for basic structural analysis when required. These tools help me plan, track, and document work efficiently, ensuring smooth execution and compliance with project requirements. Question number 9. What checks do you perform before concrete casting? Answer. Before casting, I verify rebar spacing, cover blocks, lap lengths, and bending shapes according to the BBS. I check that the formwork is tight with no gaps, levels are correct, and the area is free of debris. Steel is inspected for rust or oil, and all approvals from the site engineer or consultant are obtained. These steps prevent defects, maintain structural integrity, and ensure the concrete achieves its required strength. Question number 10. Why should we hire you as a civil engineer? Answer. You should hire me because I bring practical site experience, technical knowledge, and strong problem solving skills. I follow approved drawings carefully, maintain safety standards, and complete tasks on time. I am proactive, adaptable to changing requirements, and focused on delivering high quality results while minimizing errors, delays, and rework, ensuring the project runs smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more interview tips and career guidance. Good luck with your civil engineer interview.